Hey guys, this is Fourth Racer. Welcome back to another video. Some more Noob fight. Noob fight.
Whoa, lag tastic.
I'm using the Tommy.
You so lag tastic.
You using the heavy?
Mm-hmm.
It's a good little perch up there. I'm gonna keep heading up there. Oh shoot! I could do that. Like, sneak past you. What? It wants to let me shoot through the rails, but it'll let you shoot up. Stupid Call of Duty creators. I hate Call of Duty.
Whatever. Whoa! Oh, I saw you too late.
I love Call of Duty. Actually, I already like Call of Duty. La dee la dee la da 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 dee da dee da dee da da da. These are creepy. These little mannequins everywhere.
You're creepy.
There's a burning mannequin over there. I just walked past you. Didn't even notice it until I got down here. Oh god! Oh god!
Spray and pray, baby.
I had no clue where you were.
Spray and pray. Oh.
Spray and pray. Oh. Say it, don't spray it.
Dang, where's your gun? I was gonna steal your gun.
It's too... I'm gonna kill everybody in the world. It's my remix of Skeletons. I'm gonna kill everybody in the world.
That's gonna leave a mark. Ooh.
It's a pretty mark, too.
I'm not gonna aim it on you.
Water?
Mm-hmm. I didn't aim it to where you were at.
Oh my god!
I didn't aim it where you were at.
I know, but I started walking. He hit right to my face. You could have aimed it where I was. It wouldn't have killed me.
You know how I feel about those kind of perks and stuff.
I want to get the sniper rifle. For some reason, I don't have it anymore.
Jeez.
What's that?
I don't know, but it's bright. It's a flare.
Oh, it's my flares I'm throwing at you. Okay. I thought it was the grenades. No wonder they have me exploding. I keep throwing them. I'm like, why aren't they exploding? It's distracting. Shoot that with your pistol. Because just you have just a pistol. Oh my god! Oh my... Okay, so rolling down, I was like, ah! Oh, I thought you were gonna be like up there.
Dang, you should be dead by now.
I'm thinking about you.
Man, is my aim really that bad?
These pistols do no damage. It's a Dayz.
Ay, ay, ay.
My gosh.
I have like no ammo left.
It's like a police battle. Police.
Policeman. Hello, policeman.
I love you, honey. Hallelujah! Hallelujah! I dropped a grenade.
Wouldn't let me knife.
Why do I have
Oh
the
my
single
gosh.
shot?
It's trying to, it's trying to do grenades with the middle mouse button. Maybe I forget to switch it. Where you at, up top? Yeah. I'm a coming for you. I'm a coming for you.
Oh my god! You can be that stinking good with a stupid pistol. Oh,
I killed you.
I had the same gun.
I know, I stole it from you. Hey, hello.
Oh god, that's scary. Oh, it's mustard gas. Oh my god! Is that like mustard gas?
I don't know, does it smell funny?
Oh my god, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Where you is? I see you. I did. I see you.
I'm scared.
Come to me.
Come to the papa.
Come to me. So I may kill you. Come to me. I said you. Come to me.
No, you don't.
Oh.
No.
Come to me. Come to me. Lagzilla. Come to me. And you kill me. That's not nice, man.
My ears are starting to hurt. My ears itch when I laugh, so. You know what?
What, man?
Gun you!
That's a little
Stupid
bit loud,
loser.
man. That's a little loud, man.
Why are you talking like a racist?
I'm talking like a racist.
That might come out racist, so.
What you at, man? Oh, there you are. Yeah, what he say, man? Hey, that's bright. Check this one out. That's bright too.
Oh God!
That's a little bit bright, man. No, you didn't know.
Mm-hmm.
No, you didn't know.
Yep.
No, you didn't know.
Yeah.
No, you didn't know.
Yeah. Oh God.
Lag, man. Lag is killer, man. What you is? Ah, that's gonna leave a mark, man.
What the heck?
What? It's cause you lag like crazy.
Why don't you come get me?
Alright, game's over. It's all up now, man. Hello. That's gonna leave a mark.
C4.
Let you go, man. I see you skate around like you want ice. Yes.
I love my C4.
I victory, man.
C4, win the war!
Okay, talk to you later, guys.
Bye.